All right, we're recording now. And I'm just looking at number 4 in the book. This is number 4, and it is section 121. It's the book number 4. Okay? And this is math 1. That's for my reference. You don't have to write all that. Okay. First step, just like every time, we just read it. Let's just read it. Leah's dog costumes. What? Wait. What? Oh, that's why. I was thinking of dog costumes because it's Halloween. That's not right. Ignore that. I will probably get one for my dog, but we'll see. All right. Leah's dog consumes 4 times as many calories a day as her cat. Her cat consumes 240 calories per day. How many calories per day does her dog consume? Okay, this is actually a straightforward question. Let's write down some of the points and then I'll be ready to go. Let's see. I'm just going to write this out first. So Leah's dog consumes 4 times the calories as the cat does. Okay. Her cat, we know, the cat consumes 240 calories a day. Whoops. And the last question is, wait, what page is this? So again, go to section 121 in the book, and it's the only practice that is ever going to be found in the book or workbook. The sets are always coming from practice. So I'll let you know, but it's even more confusing for me to say it's on page U1-31. But that's where we'll find it. Okay? So I want you guys to get used to it. I still see people asking in Google Classroom where it is. Remember, it's always the practice. So as long as you're in the section we're in, just look for the practice and you got it. Okay? So let me move this now. We're looking to see how many calories per day does her dog consume. So again, we're in section 121 in the book, number 4. The dog consumes 4 times as much calories as the cat. The cat consumes 240 calories a day. The question is, X is equal to calories consumed by dog. Okay. So once you have the 3 bits of information, sorry it was hard to write on that little piece of a table I was using. But once you have the 3 pieces of information, then just read it again and think about it. Okay, the dog consumes 4 times the calories as the cat. So if I were to write this as D as in dog, okay, if this is caloric intake and this is the cat, right? Let's see. We're going to go ahead and put that the dog consumes whatever the cat consumes times 4. So I write that as the dog equals 4C. Because for instance, think about this. If the cat consumed 10 calories, right? Cat consumes 10, 4 times whatever the cat consumes, 4 times 10 is 40 calories. So the dog consumed 40, the cat consumed 10. That's how these two would be equal. So I look at this one. This one's a little tricky to think about. Dog consumes 4 times as many calories as the cat. So the dog consumes 4 times the calories of the cat. Now, we have information about this. We know the cat consumes 240 calories a day. So dog is equal to 4 times 240 calories per day. And it looks like I've been using dog and cat D and K here, but let's go ahead and change it and keep it the same. I'm going to change this right here. Let's make it D equals the calories consumed by the dog. Now we're aligned. We have everything matching. It's okay to change midway. That's fine. Okay. So now we have this. All we have to do to finish this up is make D equal to 4 times 240, which is 960 calories a day. And you could even say, D, the dog consumes 960 calories a day. Since it's a word problem, we're going to answer it in some kind of sentence along with the expression equation worked out as well. Okay, let me see what this says. All right. Is it also okay to turn it into a simple multiplication problem? Yes. Yes. Dylan, you're totally right. You can make it into a simple multiplication problem, but you're doing mental math in there, and that's good. But actually, this is the mental math that you're doing. Okay, I want you to connect those two things because I want it to be, it's good intuition. I'm a math intuitive person as well. I could just think of it. Okay, well, if the dog consumes 4 times as much as the cat, it is a simple multiplication problem. It's 4 times whatever the cat is eating. But we want to be able to get this function right here, this equation, from the information. If you just jump down and put this answer, then that won't be complete. I still need to see this. This right here is going to be worth a good amount. Okay. Now here's the thing. If you came up with the wrong expression up here or the wrong equation and you got an answer, but everything was correct as what you put in other than the function, that is still going to be worth points, partial points. Okay. But I want these two things. I want the starting expression, 3 things. The answer through the expression, and some kind of explanation in words. Okay? All right. We are going to break. We will have time. Let me stop it.